और दिल्ली में एनसीसी का परेड प्रोग्राम चल रहा है और पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी परेड प्रोग्राम में शरीक है।
A lot of generals, admirals and air marshals.
And these are the contingents of our guests from across the world in the youth exchange program. First contingent of Bangladesh, led by Cadet Sergeant Sohanur Rahman, and the placard bearer is Cadet Under Officer Jibon Nahar Chuti. Followed by these smartly turned out cadets from Bhutan, placard bearer Scout Ugien Lema, and the parade commander Scout Tandem Wangchuk. These are all the friendly nations who have a youth exchange program with India. Followed by Kyrgyzstan, the placard bearer Cadet Aziret and the parade commander Cadet Koshoy, and their motto, "One for all for one."
These are the Maldives cadets, the island nations. 4 of them have come from Mali. Maldives, one of the SAARC countries, followed by Nepal. Northeast Nepal, and of course a lot of Gurkhas are there in our army also. Number of Gurkha regiments with number of Gurkha battalions. That is Russia. They have got a different steps for the parade. The knees straightened and then they march on their heels.
The motto, serve with pride and dedication.
The motto, serve with pride and dedication, closely followed by Singapore.
The Honourable Prime Minister, setting the stage for the contingent from Sri Lanka, being led by Warrant Officer
Singapore.
Kavinda. The placard bearers Master Chief Petty Officer Vijay Singh. Their motto, never be unprepared.
They are the Sri Lankan cadets.
Signifying the belief that the world is one big family. Now the contingent from Vietnam, led by PVT Nguyen Khoi, placard bearers Tritra Mai, and their motto,
Closely followed. And that is the Vietnamese cadets. The marching and having a stroll in the army parade ground also simultaneously.
Now coming up before the salutatorians, the Army Pipe Band, being led by Havildar Narendra Singh.
That is the Army Pipe Band, led by Havildar Narendra Singh. The 10 friendly countries from which had this youth exchange program, and more than 100 cadets, boys and girls, had come for this, and they are with our cadets for the last 1 month. That's the army band. grand finale. As for the marching contingents is concerned, there are a lot of things in store for us still, Cicely.
Absolutely, and we tend to call the Republic Day